Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with decorative kitchen backsplash, swivel passenger seat, double door refrigerator, battery disconnect, bunk above cab area, full body paint, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, bathroom cabinet with mirror, over-the-range microwave, outside entertainment center with TV and speakers, stainless double kitchen sink, dual lights over headboard, designer headboard, bedroom nightstand, living area television, bedroom television, flip-up counter, vanity with sink, roof ladder, electric awning with LED lights, remote heated driver and passenger mirrors, split bathroom with a shower on one side, ducted AC, LED interior lighting, flush mount gas range cover, smoke detector, detachable power cord, walk around queen bed, bathroom toilet, theater seat for two with cup holders, LED exterior lighting, carbon monoxide detector, outside shower, side and rear cameras, cable TV hookup, booth dinette, wardrobe and cabinet, double slides, shower skylight, swivel driver's seat, automatic levelers, fire extinguisher, 3-burner range, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.